If you run a healthcare clinic, you know the front desk nightmare. You spend thousands of dollars buying leads. Your staff drops everything to call them, but nobody answers. Or worse, you get them on the phone and they say, "Stop calling me. I already booked with someone else." This happens because you are buying shared leads. You are paying for data that has been sold to 3 other clinics in your town at the exact same time. It burns out your staff. It wastes your budget. And with the new FCC regulations on consent, it puts your practice at risk of lawsuits. It is time to stop competing for your own patients. Mohr Marketing has introduced a structured partnership model designed for medical practices. We don't act as a lead vendor. We act as your marketing arm. Most importantly, we know that cash flow in a medical practice is tough. You shouldn't have to float massive upfront retainers for ads that haven't run yet. That's why the media execution and delivery of qualified leads that you approve is post-pay. First, we initiate Compliance Onboarding. This is a one-time deployment fee where we build your dedicated compliance infrastructure, ensuring every landing page and funnel is regulation ready. Second, there is a small monthly subscription fee. Rather than vague agency fees, this subscription reserves your practice's exclusive slot in our production schedule and keeps your intake technology live. Finally, you only fund the cost per qualified transfer after the campaign structure is live and you are sent qualified leads that you approve. We share the risk, so we are incentivized to deliver quality, not just volume. But the critical pillar of this program is protection. Protection of your budget and your reputation. In our joint advertising program, exclusivity isn't a buzzword, it's a technical reality. We never resell data. When a potential client fills out a form or calls the tracking number displayed on your digital media, the inquiry is routed directly to our call center. Furthermore, we protect you from the new FCC one-to-one consent rules by using TrustedForm and Jornaya technology. Every form fill inquiry comes with a digital birth certificate, a video replay that proves the consumer saw your practice's name and explicitly asked for your help. Every call is recorded and archived at our call center facility and saved to the cloud. Each inquiry is reviewed for campaign criteria and is subjected to a verification process to ensure quality of lead and compliance before we ever transfer the inquiry to your intake staff. You are the only doctor they are waiting to hear from. The era of buying shared, risky leads from anonymous vendors is over. It is time to stop renting your marketing and start owning it. If you are ready for a pipeline that is exclusive, compliant, and structured for financial flexibility, it is time to move to the post-pay joint advertising model. Let's get you through compliance onboarding and start building a campaign that actually works for your practice. Contact Mohr Marketing today.